Ayan, good morning everyone. Gandang umaga po. PSEi 7,400. Grabe pulahan. So far, yeah, tama yung prediction natin. We don't have to be aggressive in this market. Sila JFC nagsisipagsakan. Ayan, same, ganun pa rin ang recommendation ko. Stay light lang muna. Don't really put much money in the market. Dun lang tayo naglaro sa mga ni-recommend ko. The past few days, 2 days ago, I recommended ECP, tsaka sino ba yun? Si ECP, tsaka sino nga ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na. Right, let me just double check. Pero nagliliparan right? So, si ECP, kahapon umakyat. Si Lopez, kahapon, recommended Lopez. It is up already. Si Web pala, dalawa lang yon 2 days ago, si Web tsaka si ECP. Si Web na unang umakyat, ang taas na. So congratulations sa mga pumasok. Kay ECP ngayon lang siya umakyat yesterday, but still congratulations sa mga pumasok when I recommended it. Kahapon si Lopez, yes, very good gains for our picks yesterday. Hindi naman lahat umakyat. ABS is still there, it's still recommended for today, but congratulations to those who went in on my recommendations. Yun po, ganun lang po talaga. If ever bearish yung market, do not play with stocks that are at the top. Doon, especially sa mga index, wag muna maglaro ng index. Look for stocks that are at the bottom and then creating supports. Yun po ang most likely na gumagalaw, especially for trading, diba? So ganun lang ang gawin niyo po when it comes to ganito na mga bearish market. Again, I want to teach you, in the market, there are times that you have to be aggressive and there are times that you have to be not aggressive. Right? And these are the times na dapat hindi kayo aggressive. Hindi kayo basta-basta pasok lang, ganito, ganyan. Right? You have to plan out your entries properly. Right? So, that's it for, that's our topic for today. PSEi, pag-usapan natin yan. It's PHA kahapon, I was monitoring PHA. So far, okay naman. Kasi naglabas pala sila ng disclosure. Yun ang mahirap eh. Napansin natin bigla in the afternoon. Bumabagsak si PHA, pero binibili ng mga brokers. Ayan, di ba? Ito yung napansin nyo ba kahapon si PHA? Ang daming nakapila sa sa baba ni PHA, and especially brokers na yung mga what they call this, mga institutions. And there were people who were posting sa chatroom na bakit sila nagbubodega, may alam ba tayo na hindi? And then a few hours later, naglabas si PHA ng disclosure. So, hindi na sila masususpend. Kaya yung mga natakot nagbenta, binili lang ng mga institutions. So, the story behind that is institutions, right? Institutions have an unfair advantage when it comes to us traders, right? Yung mga retails tayo. Because ito, right? Sadly, they have insider news. Alam po nila kung may maglalabas ng disclosure yon. So, basically, alam nila na maglalabas pala yon. Kaya binibili nila. Tapos nung paglabas, wala na, nakaposisyon na sila. Binili lang nila yung mga nagbenta at mga natakot. That's their unfair advantage, but sadly, we can't do anything about that as of the moment. So, yun yung medyo challenging sa PSE. Right, one of the challenges that we are facing. That's one of the reason why I am more active in the international market kasi doon walang insiders, hindi pwede insiders doon kasi pag insiders doon makukulong ka. You're gonna be fined a lot, right? So, dito sa Pilipinas wala. Yung mga nag-hype na mga CEO, wala, hindi na-fine yan. Right, so good morning everyone. So, good morning to my daughter Laika Francis Fahilan. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Dan Jing Martinez. Good morning, Jeffrey Sarahagon. Good morning, sir. Joel Garis, morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Ben Moneda, hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Insights po kay IDC and Meg. Let's check these out. Kamustahin natin ang mga ito. Alright, so guys, please share the video. A little request from my end. Please share the video to your Facebook walls, to your trading groups para naman malaman ng mga newbies na may mga programs na ganito na makakatulong sa kanila in their stock market journey. Kahit po, I'm not really that active sa PSE. I'm just investing. I'm still sharing my knowledge. Araw-araw po itong program natin as much as possible para maturuan po natin ng mga kapatid natin, mga Pinoy, when it comes to investing, especially sa stocks, right? Sad thing about the Filipinos are they're very aggressive when it comes to investments, which should, kahit ang stock market, dapat ito yung mga nasa huling part ng investment plans ninyo. But some started in stock market right away. So, we have to guide them properly since andito na sila, napasubo na sila. Ayan. So, ayun. And also, subscribe to my channel, this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe para naman po updated kayo lagi sa mga kung anong meron na mga videos lumalabas na bago from me. Right, Ben Moneda, I already wrote down your request. You're welcome, Monet Lagman. Good morning. Happy Friday to all. Good morning. Ayan, Friday nga pala ngayon. Sir, from Raymond Arano, sir, good morning. Wilcon, MBI, and ALI. Let's check these three out. Sulat ko muna ito. One moment. Right. So, going back, vacations. Sir, good morning. May chance pa ba IMI, VLL, umakyat? Have a blessed weekend po. Yes, meron naman talagang chance umakyat yung mga yan. Especially these two stocks, IMI and VLL, are doing well. First quarter earnings are good. Si IMI, ang ganda ng mga earnings last year. So, fundamentally speaking, yes, pwede sila, may chance umakyat. It's just that we cannot control the market. We can't even predict. There are companies na are doing well pero bumabagsak, di ba? So, yeah, that's the ano of the market. Ang pwede niyong gawin dyan is, if the company is doing well, just keep buying more because if it's doing well talaga fundamentally, right, it should go up, right? It should go up so that so while it's going down, you just keep buying more para bumaba yung average mo so that the moment it goes up, you will be gaining already kaysa sa pabayaan mo tapos pag umakyat yan, walang nangyayari sa pera mo. Right, Jaime Villaflor, web recommended web 2 days ago. I don't want to recommend it yet as of the moment kasi medyo mataas na po si web, right? So ayun, web po yun. Ayan pala. So, yeah, si Web. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Web. Mike 16, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Na-transfer ko na po yung balance ko sa BDO para sa mangisda.org. Have a good weekend to you and your family. Same goes to everyone. Mike, I'll check those out after the daily grind kasi eto na yun. May opisina na ako. Bakit ako nagsimula ng mangisda.org? Meron akong trabaho ngayon. There's so many queries. I have to answer everyone. Limited lang po yung slots, right? Hindi po ito tulad ng ibang investments na unlimited ang mga investors. No. We are only opening two waves and then after that, updates na lang and then mamaya pa sa harvest and then dun pa kami mag-o-open ng bago ng mga waves, right po? So, limited lang po slots. We've opened wave 2 already kasi puno ni wave 1. So, thank you so much sa mga sumuporta, right, at tumulong. Thank you so much for your part in helping the fishermen of Mindanao. Right. So those na hindi pa nakapag-reserve, check out mangisda.org, www.mangisda.org. it's a very it's a good it is investing for cost basically, right? And you will earn at the same time while you're investing. Right, so I'll check that out later. Amil Angelo, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning everyone. Matagal-tagal ko din hindi napanood. Ayun. Oo nga pala, nawala ka Amil. Right? Tumigil ka rin sa eToro mo na-miss ko kayo. Right. Good morning. Joy P, good day Sir Lloyd. Pulahan pa rin ang market kahapon. VLL po please. And okay na po ba to buy more JFC for long term? Definitely, this is good news for those who are into JFC for long term. Pero antayin nyo po muna yung bounce, right? It's now at 285, right? Maybe it's gonna bounce today. We can't tell. It's Friday, so baka bumaba. If it goes further down, then I will be happy because I'm planning to buy more, right? Nakahanda na po ang buying power ko to buy more Jollibee. This is a good opportunity for those na nakaano. Buti na lang nagbenta tayo doon sa taas kay Jollibee, 'di ba? Tapos bumaba siya ngayon, then abang na lang tayo to buy more. Tristan Manalo, morning. Sir Seb, okay po kaya? I'll write down Seb. Tingnan natin yan mamaya ang chart niya. Uni Nani, good morning Sir Lloyd. Aba and now. Ayan. So, Uni Nani, taan na natin yan. Ellen Coronado, good morning sir. Insights po kay Wilcon, DMC, JFC, and MPI po. Alright, these down. Alright, so, ganito lang guys. Gawin ko na lang itong flowing. I'll give my recommendations now. Ayan, tatlo lang ang recommendations ko for today. Si Ion, ABS, and VLL. Si JFC, mamaya na yan. Tignan natin kung mag-bounce. Right, so those are my 3 picks for today. Si Ion, I'll share to you the chart. So, along the way, basahin natin yung mga charts sa mga requests ninyo. So, number 1, si Ion, in no particular order. Wala pa akong paborito dito. Ionix has been giving us a solid year last year. Annual earnings is 16%. Grabe po yan. Since sa first quarter, second quarter, laging positive yan sila. So, but the market sentiments has been bearish during that time. And now it's going sideways. Right? Annual earnings, 16%. First quarter earnings, 12%. Those are amazing numbers. I'd say magbudega kayo na Ionix habang nasa baba pa siya. Right? Ionix has been doing well last year and it started the year properly. Kung bumaba man ito, pwede nyo pong bodegahin yan. Ang gusto ko lang dito ngayon kay Ionix is meron tayong support and we have been confirming that support for the past few days. Right? So, Ionix po, pwede po yan for me. Right? Tingnan niyo po si Ionix if gusto niyo po siya. ABS, kahapon ni-recommend ko ito together with Lopez. Pumitik siya kaso nga lang bumalik. So, it's still good to go. ABS, pwede pa rin yan today. Pag the first quarter earnings, we're expecting good second quarter earnings because of the election. So, most probably aakyat yan. And overall, sa ABS, napakamura po niyan. It's been the cheapest it has been for how many weeks already. Right? It's the cheapest it has been. So, it's very undervalued right now. I'd say, bodega kayo ng ABS habang mura pa si ABS. Right? This is the right time. Last time, I recommended you ABS guys dito sa baba and umakyat siya. Congrats sa mga pumasok. Ngayon, andyan na naman siya sa baba. Time to buy ulit. So, hinog na naman si ABS. Right, so ABS recommending it still. Then VLL, I'm recommending VLL for today. The support has been holding. Maganda naman yung first quarter earnings niya. Ayaw mag-load ng chart ko. Right, so inganing mingkay ko. Miming. Go outside. Go out muna. Right, so VLL. Alright, so far, nagsusupport naman siya. Yun nga lang, I'm really shaky about VLL. It's just that, fundamentally speaking, first quarter earnings, maganda naman first quarter earnings niya. Naglabas siya the past few days. So, if ever this support holds, you can buy it. Right? Shaky lang ako because of the market, but even if the market was bearish, nagsusustain naman ang support niya. So, this is good. Baka po bumitik kasi yung market at mag-recover. Sasama ito. So, test out VLL. Still, it's giving us a good support as of the moment. So, yeah, test natin si VLL with its support since low risk naman siya. So, kanina, there's question about IDC. Daanan ko muna ito IDC. Right, so IDC, so far, bumabagsak pa. So, we're still waiting for IDC to, ito yung pinag-usapan natin kahapon, kaya may linya na yan. We're waiting for IDC to reach this support. Andyan na siya sa support. So, let's see what will happen with IDC. Hindi ko alam kung magbabounce yan ngayon. Abangan nyo po, if you're planning to enter the support, abangan nyo po today pag nag-green yan. You can go aggressive if you want to, since support naman ito at maliit ang risk, right? But IDC, I'm a position trader. I always wait for confirmations before I get in. I always wait for the bounce. So, baka mag-bounce yan today. Pwede nyo pasukin yan. Right, titignan ko yan for Monday. Meg. Right, si Meg. Downtrend pa po, still touching the lower Bollinger Band. So we know that this is still gonna go down, right? And then okay naman ang earnings ni Meg, eh, right? So these are good. If ever ipit kayo kay Meg, just wait for the bounce and magbudega kayo ng Meg. For sure in the future aakyat din naman yan. It's been doing well. Right? Si Meg. So for now, I don't want you to go aggressive. Wag muna. Wilcon. Sorry, ang spelling WL-con. Right, Wilcon. We're seeing lower highs kay Wilcon as of the moment. So it's these are bearish signals. Don't wanna recommend Wilcon. So mas maliit na, mas mababa na mga highs. So that's usually a spark. That's usually a downtrend. So, and then wala pa tayong clear na support. So, baka bumaba pa lalo. Right? So, a downtrend is giving us lower lows. And it's been giving us lower lows and lower highs. So, most probably mag-downtrend pa si Wilcon. So, stay away muna kay Wilcon. Could be wrong. But, it's for now, it's showing us bearish signals si Wilcon. Next is MPI. Si MPI, nadamay rin ka market. Pero ang ganda ng volume yesterday. Right? Good volume for MPI yesterday. I'd say bodega pa rin kay MPI. This company has been doing well. This is nice. This is a good signal for MPI. I'd say yes, buy MPI. Bodega lang kay MPI for long term yan, right? It has been doing well, very consistent with its earnings. Yun nga lang yung market sentiments ayaw sa kanya. Ali, we're seeing bearish signals, right? Lower highs, but we have a good support, right? This might be a good support. Let's see what will happen. Pero descending triangle po yan, right? If you are a patient trader, you always wait for your setup. This is a descending triangle setup. If ever you know this already, you know where to buy, diba? You wait for the breakout from that descending triangle because that's a failed bearish triangle. Kasi bearish signal ito. Ang nag-hold lang is ang support, pero people are not that bullish kaya hindi ka anong bumibili. Kaya bumabagsak pa yung highs niya. So, ang tendency niyan mag-break ng support. So, what you do is you wait for the breakout. That's a confirmation na break na yung pattern niya. So, Ali. So, for now, Ali, ingat lang muna. No need to go aggressive. Market is bearish, especially sa mga stocks na blue chips. Ito, nasa all-time high ito galing. So, medyo mataas si Ali. So, stay away lang muna kay Ali. Baka mahila pa yan pababa. Next kay Ali is IMI. IMI doing well. First quarter earnings negative 105 pala. Kaya pala bumabagsak siya. Annual earnings nito maganda naman eh. Right, naglabas pala ito the other day. So IMI, this might pull the stock further down. So konting ingat lang muna. Very volatile as of the moment. We can't see clear support. We do have a support area right here, but I think it's still bearish, right? So I'd stay away from IMI for now, especially na medyo mabigat yung first quarter earnings niya. VLL, we talked about VLL already. Si Web po, recommended it here. For 2 days, it's been gaining already. So congratulations sa mga pumasok. Magkano na yung kita ninyo? Right, from that point to that point, 10% na. Most probably, nag-take profits ng mga tao. I don't want to recommend Web now because we have a resistance right here. Right? If you recall my lesson to you guys about risk management, right? You're risking higher than what you can earn. So this is the price right now. This is the resistance, and alam nyo po kung resistance, that's the price most probably the stock is gonna go down. So you still have around 8%, diba? 8% possibility of growing. So pwede ka pang kumita na 8%, but you're risking around, this is the support is 9%, so plus 3 that's 12. So you're risking 12% just to earn 8%. That's not worth it, right? So wag na lang po muna dito nung nasa baba pa natin ni-recommend, dun dapat tayo pumasok, right? Hindi yung umaakyat na habulin nyo kasi naiinggit tayo, right? So stay away from Web. Not worth it. Mataas na po ang risk natin dyan, bigger than what we can gain. So that's bad trading if you still go after that. Right, Seb, CEB. There's a question about CEB. Hindi ko nakita yung first quarter ni CEB. Maganda naman yung first quarter niya. Annual earnings ni CEB is negative. But somehow it's working on the support. So, ato lang. If you're planning to enter Seb, nagtatouch na siya sa upper Bollinger Band. So, that's a good sign. But get in near support as much as possible, right? To make your risks lower. Right? So, get in muna. You can test out that support, pero as much as possible, lumapit kayo sa support. Get in a low risk position. ABA. Si ABA, yan, pababa pa si ABA, but still holding the MA20. Kaso nga lang, may bearish signal si ABA, pababa ng pababa. It even broke down MA20. So, kind of volatile for me. Try nyo po today pag nag-green yan. Pag nag-green yan, that's a confirmation at MA20. Use MA20 as your support for ABA. Okay? So, can't recommend it now. I want it to bounce before I want to recommend it. Si Now naman, right? Si Now, after the good spike, nag-pull back yesterday. So, we're waiting for Now to bounce. If it bounces, that's a confirmation of the support. That's our entry point. But for now, wala pa po tayong confirmation. So, ingat lang muna. DMC, ito DMC, bumabagsak eh. Malaki pa rin ang selling off kay DMC. So, iwas lang muna. But we're reaching RSI levels. Nandito. We have good support right here. So, most probably, anytime soon, pwede natin testing ito pag bumaba si DMC. Malapit na siya mag-reach sa M20, what you call it, RSI. For now, ingat lang muna, right? Stay away from DMC. Grabe yung down, yung pull niya pababa. GFC still also is now at 285. We're still waiting for GFC to stabilize before we wanna enter GFC ulit. So, stay away muna for GFC. MPI. We talked about MPI already, right? Yeah, MPI, good naman yung bounce niya, buday ka lang kay MPI. So let me continue sa mga comments, right? Ganito na gagawin natin. Morning Sir Lloyd, any thoughts on crypto, Ethereum? The crypto world is bullish right now, right? Pwede niyo pong paglaruan si crypto if you want to. It's doing a pullback right now. I checked out Bitcoin earlier. Bitcoin, BTC. So, nasa 7.9 na naman siya. Kagahapon, umabot yun ng 7.6. Right, chart. Yun yung problema ko yung Bitcoin. Ang bilis gumalaw. Right, so umabot siya ng 7.6 yesterday. That was the pullback. It's starting to create a support at this area. So, if you're planning to enter, siguro dyan sa mga 7.6 if makapasok siya sa 7.6. Medyo mataas na po siya ngayon eh. I'm waiting for a good pullback before you really wanna get in Bitcoin. Huwag po kayo mafo-FOMO dyan. Right? This was a good entry point. Itong breakout na ito. For that surge, but right now wala pa tayong entry point. Meron tayong support dito. That was a good entry point. So those are good entry points. At hanap lang kayo ng positions ninyo, right? For Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum, ETH, Ethereum. Yan, si Ethereum masyado mataas pa po. Wait for the pullbacks. The breakout was the best entry point. This is the flag pattern breakout. So same naman ang technical analysis. It's up to you if you wanna invest in that. Ang problema ko lang talaga kay crypto is market sentiments plainly lang. Wala tayong fundamentals dyan. So mahirap. So it's a speculative item and it trades 24/7. Ang hirap po ng 24/7 na trading. So, if you wanna get in, make sure you're an investor if you wanna get in. Pero antayin nyo po ang magandang mga position. Supports, mga ganon. And then, cut your losses. Kasi, speculative yan. Tristan Manalo, morning sir. Seb, kaya, we talked about Seb already. Uni na ni Sir Aba. Tapos na yan. Ellen Coronado, morning sir. Insights kay Wilcon, DMCGFC. Ayan, nabasa ko na pala ito. Juan Bactas, Maing Buntag, Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Tommy Montano Escobedo, good morning coach and all viewers. Also coach, pag bumili ka ng stocks, naka-X date for today. Sample po ay nakabili ako ng 10 a.m. tapos binenta ko ng 2 p.m. Kasali na ako sa dividends. No, hindi na po. If you bought the stock on X date, you're not included in the dividends anymore. Right? You have to hold the stock sa transition ng market. For example, X date today is 17. Right? So 17. So, kahapon was the last day to buy the stock. If you bought the stock yesterday, you can still get the dividends. Pag lumagpas na yun ng 17, pag open ang market, cut off na yan. So, if you sell the stock on the 17th, you can still get the dividends. If you buy the stock on the 17th, wala na. Tapos ng cut off before the market opens. So, you won't get the dividends anymore. Okay? So, I hope that's clear, Tommy. Asa na ako? Bumagsak bigla yung comments. Gladys Britannia. Right. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Have you read the news regarding sa BSP 3 cuts on year? What would be the effect on the stock market? Usually sa banks yan. If ever bumaba ang mga interest rates, banks will be doing better. Because mas maliit ang interest rate, mas marami pong uutang. Kasi pag nagmahal ang interest, ayoko na umutang sa bangko. Ganyan, di ba? So pag bumaba ang interest rates, yes, banks will become viable for loans again. And that should help boost the gains of the banks from loans, di ba? So it should be okay for the market if ever. Right? Everything is bullish in the every news, economy, the elections, dapat bullish na tayo ngayon. It's just that si Donald Trump nagloko. Nag-snap ng finger, nag-Twitter, ayan, ubos ang mga port ng mga tao. Ayan, so anyways, for your blue chips, these are very good. This is good news. So magbodega po kayo. Insights for ISM, okay ba ang pullback yesterday? Yes, it is. It's a good pullback for ISM. Hopefully mag-pullback para yung mga gustong pumasok can get in a better position. Just keep buying the dips of ISM. If bumaba pa yan, then mag-bounce, then that's good. Sa mga malaki ng kita, you can sell half if you want to, right? With that pullback yesterday. Joel Lilo, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning din. Abigail Akar, Sir, how about ISM? Tataas pa ba now? I don't know. Ganito guys, no one can predict the market. Always remember that. No one can predict the market. We just have to act accordingly. If the market pulls back and meron ka ng hawak and then nag-gain ka na, you sell half. That's the right reaction for the market, right? Hindi yung mauunahan mo si market. Wag ganon. What the market does, then you react. If it gives you support and then bounces, that's when you react. Hindi yung uunahan mo siya, uy, nasa support na, pasukin ko kaagad. Hindi pa nagba-bounce. If it bounces, then that's when you react. You put more money. If it goes further down, then you react. You cut your losses. You react accordingly. Wag po natin uunahan ng market. Okay? One Baktas, Sir, DMC. DMC, kamustahin natin si DMC. Si ISM, ito yung itsura ni ISM ngayon. Right, so nag-pull back siya. So hopefully, yung mga nag-gain na, you can sell half. It's okay to sell half. I've been recommending guys na magbodega kay ISM dito. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega. About time. You enjoy your earnings. That's 27% gains, guys, sa mga bumili dun sa baba. Right? Ang laki niyan. Right? Sayang naman yung gains. Baka kasi bumaba yan, di ba? Pag bumaba yan, nako, ubos yung gains nyo. You sell half. And then, if it goes up, and at least meron pa rin kayong kalahati. But for long-term people, like me, I'm just letting it ride. Hindi po ako nagbebenta. Andyan pa rin. And then, if it goes down, nagbobodega lang po ako. Right? Because it's the volume I'm after. Ang laki po ng pera ni ISM ngayon. Kaya po, kahit bearish ang market, ISM and C is going up because ang laki po ng pera na hawak nila ngayon. Right? That should add up to their company value sa assets nila. So, that's very big. Right? Kaya bullish po siya ngayon. Sir DMC, right? DMC. Hawak kasi ni Trump Thanos ang mga stones, kaya pag nag-snap ng finger, ayan, pumula market. O nga eh. Si DMC ay bearish pa. Let's stay away muna. Let's hope it will go better in the future. Pero right ngayon, wala pa. So, stay away from the market muna. Ang bigat ng first quarter earnings niya, negative 33%. So, that usually fends off investors, and plus bearish pa ang market, kaya yun, bumagsak si DMC. So stay away muna. Luweng, good morning. Abner Especio, coach, morning to ma'am. Laika as well. Pa-insight naman kay MPI. We're done with MPI. MRC, tingnan natin si MRC. Yan, si MRC nasa support. Wait for the bounce before you wanna get in MRC. So far, ang ganda naman ng support. Paakyat naman yung RSI niya. So much better. Konti na lang nagbebenta. For now, hindi natin alam ano mangyayari bukas. Anytime soon, pwede magbenta ang mga tao. So we can't, we're just basing it on the past, right? So as of the moment, as of yesterday, RSI showed us a higher level, mas mataas na linya, meaning etong support na ito compared to this one right here. So this is the market psychology. This is what the market is telling you as of the moment, right? So sige, ganito tayo, mag-market psychology tayo ng konti, right? So here we have this point and this point, right? Magkaparehas ng presyo, di ba? But market movement is different during that day. Kasi RSI is telling us at this point, wala talaga siyang momentum. Selling ang mga tao. Nakikita niyo po yung momentum is negative. Pabenta ang mga tao. Almost reach to a point na oversold, na sobrahan na pagbenta, 'di ba? And then at this point, parehas sila ng presyo, but RSI is at a much higher position, meaning ganito, buying na po ang momentum natin. So mas lesser ang pag nagbebenta compared before. Our momentum now is going up, so this is a much better bottom even if parehas sila ng presyo. We just wait for a bounce, and then that will be our confirmation na magbabounce. But this is past data, okay? Ito yung nangyari kahapon in the past few days. What will happen today, we don't know. The chart cannot tell us that. Baka biglang magka-sell off or anything. But we're just basing our decision on the past movement. That's why it's never accurate, right? So I hope you understand that. Alright. So let's move on. Elma Barbudo, MPI po. We talked about MPI already. Tommy Escobedo, we like your idea po sa mangingisda.org. Tulong na rin po sa mga fishermen. Sana maging successful. Thank you so much. Oh nga pala guys, mangingisda.org. If you haven't checked it out yet, please go to mangingisda.org, www.mangingisda.org. Right. So I'll put the link on the comments. Please visit it. Right. It's a very good cause. If ever you go to mangingisda.org, this is what you're gonna see. You can view the full video of our cost by clicking on this. Makita niyo po ang video dyan. Right. This area right here is the Lopezina Mariculture Park. Nakita niyo po, wala pong alon dyan. That's why it's very feasible for fish cages kasi hindi po nasisira ang cages dyan. Wala pong alon, halos pinlansya ang dagat. Right, so tingnan nyo, mas malaki pa yung alon ginagawa ng mga bangka kaysa yung natural na alon. And liliit ng mga bangka. So, this area, ang laki po ng community ng fishermen who needs your help. Ginawa po ng government is they gave out fish cages to the fishermen out here. Kaso nga lang, hindi nila na-sustain because walang pera ang mga fishermen. Wala silang wala silang pang fund ng mga projects. So please check it out, right? Check out the video, and then you can invest and help them. We're only opening 2 fish cages for now. We want to start small. Dalawa lang muna para manageable naman. Actually, we're already doing it there. We're just starting to expand under mangingisda.org. We want to start it small. So we're already at wave 2. May pending na po tayong 27, approved na 8. So 65 slots lang po ang available. On wave 1 napuno na po. We have pending 38, approved 62. So wag po kayo mapahuli, right? Magla-launch po ako bukas officially with the seminar dito sa Cebu. That will be the launching of mangingisda.org. Sadly, pag launching, konti na lang ang available. Baka we'll give it a wave 3, but we can't really tell because we really have planned wave 2. I'm gonna talk to the production if ever feasible pa ba mag-wave 3 kami ngayon. Right? But for now, malapit na po mapuno. Thank you so much for the support. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-create ng accounts, you can fund it. If you can support the cost, right? Check it out. Right? Sayang naman po. 6,500 po per unit. Right? Let's continue. Thank you so much. Umaangat si Microsoft. Yes, umaangat si Microsoft. Thank you so much, Tommy. Raymar, sir, paano po mag-invest sa fisherman investment niyo po? Just go to the website mangingisda.org. And then once you are in mangingisda.org, for example like this, just go to join and then mag-register lang po kayo. Register. Once you registered, open an account. Let me just log in. Teka lang ha. Limutan ko password ko. Alright, I'm in. So, once you are in, sige, mag-walk through lang ako ng konti. Once meron na kayong account and you can log in, all you need to do is if you want to add funds, so click on add funds, and dyan po yung instructions how to add funds. This is where you can control your investments and your money. We have to invest in this so that we want to make it convenient for the investors po. So, pag nag-add funds na po kayo, lalabas po yan dyan once ma-accept na po namin yung pera. Once, for example, you have 6,500 here, good for 1 unit, just go to projects, this one right here, click on projects, and then makikita niyo po dyan. This one has lots is 100 or 100, so wala na siyang available. So this one is 35 untaken of 100, so it has 65 available. Just click on invest. Right? Click on invest and then put in 1 unit and then total 65, then just submit and then i-approve po namin yan if you have funds already. Right? So ganun lang, ganun ka simple. Once makapag-deposit, once makapag-invest ka na, your current it will show here at the current investment, date started, maturity, amount, and status. So you can monitor your investments here. And then there will be an option here once mag-harvest na, pag na-mature na, accept funds, makikita nyo po yung report. Pag accept nyo pong funds, babalik po yan sa available balance ninyo. Pag tumubo na, lalabas po yan dyan. Then if you want to withdraw it, just click on withdraw funds and then ipapadala po namin sa inyo. Simple as that, right? And then, kagandahan po nito is my forte is in online, diba? And I want the business to be visible to everyone. So, as part of our duty, we will be posting every week pag updates sa investment po doon, right? We're gonna tag the cages as cage number 1, cage number 2, and then makikita niyo po doon weekly updates kasi every week magte-testing yan ng mga isda paano gaano na kalaki. So we're gonna take a photo of it, post it on the Facebook page of mangingisda.org so that investors can see their investments, right? We're gonna keep everything transparent, even the results, yung mga kita, right? So that's part of our commitment to you guys. So please check it out, right? So mangingisda.org. Malapit na po mampuno. Thank you so much for the support. Uku788, umangat si Microsoft. Yes, si Microsoft umangat. Sadly, naka-short sell ako dyan. Nakala ko magbe-bearish pa. So, hindi pa na-hit yung cut loss ko. So, I'll leave it there for now. Coach, ask ko lang if applicable yung 5K opening to Trade Asia if coming from your seminar. Yes, Julius Ernal. It is still applicable. Send me a message mamaya para i-remind mo ako, ilagay ko pangalan mo sa lista. Right, Jill Abuero, good morning Sir Lloyd, watching from Myanmar. Good morning sa inyo dyan. Mark Villaverde, URC, good company. Kaso nga lang, nagbe-bearish pa, so nagpo-pull back pa. So, konti ingat mo na kay URC. Though it's a good company, this is a good sign kung nag-up down siya after the dividend. So, let it stabilize, right? This should go bullish when the bullish market comes. So, bodega lang kay URC sa mga investors dyan. Right now, I don't wanna recommend it for investing. Sir, naka-short sell po ba kayo sa Microsoft? I noticed na red port ko pero gain naman sa Microsoft. Insights on crypto, please. Bullish si crypto, look for a position lang. Yes, naka-short sell ako kay Microsoft. Akala ko magtuloy-tuloy yung bearish eh. So, hindi natinag si Microsoft. So, hopefully, magtuloy pang bumagsak. Right? Kasi I am still thinking bearish po ang market. So, if ever ma-hit lang yung cut loss natin, mali ako. So, I'm just gonna cut my losses. Medyo pula yung performance natin for this one. It's really, really hard to guess the market. Dapat nag-crypto tayo, but I really don't, I haven't really experienced trading crypto. So, medyo ingat lang tayo dyan kay crypto. Kasi 24/7 ang hirap. Na net meal, sir, AC and AEV very cheap. Is it a buy na, di ba? Fundamentally speaking, AEV is cheap. Yes, it is cheap. I'd say it's a buy, right? Pero sa investors, yes, it's a buy for investors. Traders, I am not seeing any buy signal for trading yet, but for investors, yeah, it's time to bodega while it's cheap, right? For Nanet. AC, si Ayala Corp naman, ayun, bumagsak pa. So, it's on a 52-week low, position. Stay away lang muna tayo for traders. For investors, wait for it to bounce before you plan to average down, right? Leoven de Kelos. Sir, naka-open po na po sa mga isda. Ang kulang na lang po mag-deposit sa account. Included po ba kami sa wave? Salamat and God bless. Yes, there's still a wave open. Meow meow. Oh, yung pusa ko kanina ang ingay. Bibsi, good morning. Bibsi, naka-recover ka na. Oliver de Guzman, good morning. Sir. Right, good morning. eToro, paki-checks po Microsoft, wondering why red siya. Naka-short sell po ako sa Microsoft. So, if ever I need to cut my losses, I will be cutting my losses. Oliver de Guzman, sir, what is the indicator for momentum for LR? Si LR, ang pinaka news-driven si LR ngayon eh. Because nag-announce si President Duterte na hindi niya na pakikialaman ang mga gaming industry. So LR is one of them, kaya nag-momentum siya. Plus, ganda ng first quarter earnings, annual earnings si LR medyo pangit. Pero those are good signs na wala pong the reason why LR, if you remember last year, this was the climb of LR kasi magkakasino daw sila sa Boracay. And then President Duterte nag-threaten against casinos, 'di ba? So bumagsak si LR after that. So ngayon pa lang siya nakapag-recover, and the recovery right now for LR is kasi sabi ni President Duterte, yeah, gaming industry is he learned to accept that gaming industry is part of the economy, part of tourism, right? So hindi niya pa muna pakikialaman. So that is what's boosting the gaming industry right now. Sila LR, LRW, other gaming industries umaakyat rin, 'di ba? Sino pa ba 'yon? SSP, LR, PHR, yan, umaakyat rin si PHR kahapon. Kasi meron din yan sila mga casino. Sila Web, that's one of the reason why si Web umaakyat din, right? So Web, yan, one of the reason why umaakyat si Web. That's basically one of the reason why nire-recommend ko rin si Web, right? So yan, sir, what's the indicator? Yan, Justino Molina, SM po sir, andito na po sila sa Laguna, install ng fiber optic. Wow, amazing, nasa Laguna na sila ISM. Well, fiber optics na. So, that's very good. Those are very good signals for ISM. So, congratulations sa mga nagbudega kay ISM. Sa mga hindi natinag, sa mga bashers, congratulations po sa inyo. Joffrey Alob, hi sir, morning watching here in Oman. Please check PLC. Right, PLC. Kamustahin natin si PLC. Premium Leisure Corporation. Ito rin. Isa rin ito. So, somehow, downtrend pa rin eh. Konti ingat lang muna ha. But we're reaching good RSI levels. RSI is starting to go round. So I don't want to recommend this yet. I want it to give us more price action before I can recommend PLC. So far downtrend pa po siya. So ingat lang muna kay PLC. Don't want you to go aggressive. CEB first quarter. Ang ganda na first quarter ni CEB. So most probably aakyat yan because of that. Let's check out CEB ulit. This is from Jaime Villaflor. Yeah, so get in your support as much as you can, or we have a previous resistance right here. This is the resistance na previous na breakout siya kahapon but bumalik. So maybe if you really wanna go aggressive, you can use a breakout strategy. Actually overall napakamura pa nito eh. Let's check out our risk. Ay, nasa 3% na pala yung risk natin. So konti ingat lang. Alright, try to bargain for a little bit, at least malapit kayo sa support for CEB. Jose Tamandong, good morning sir. Bloom, Poppy, PXP please. Bloom, check natin si Bloom. Nagda-downtrend pa si Bloom eh. Bloom, ayan. So, nag-doji siya. So, medyo nawala yung momentum niya. So, what I want to do, Bloom to blue, is make a higher low. Actually, nagsisignal na siya ng higher low eh. So, baka magtuloy yan today. It's really hard right now, but I hope it gives us a position na low risk. Wait for the bounce. At least maliit ang risk ninyo for Bloom. Poppy naman, nasa resistance pa tayo, so konti ingat lang muna, maybe a breakout, pero ang hirap ng breakout, there's another resistance here. So best entry points are supports for Poppy. Huwag niyo pong imimiss yung supports ni Poppy, doon po kayo pumasok. Right, PXP, right now it's pulling back, so I don't want to recommend PXP yet. Antay lang tayo sa support, maybe it's gonna bounce there. Sir, any advice sa selling strategy for JFC? Dapat dun sa taas nag-sell na tayo. Right? We already sold half. I told the people to sell half at Jollibee's dun sa taas. Kasi if you remember, I've been recommending Jollibee here, and dun sa taas we sold half. Selling strategy kay Jollibee, depende yan eh. If ever dito kayo sa baba na bumili, you can still sell half and take your gains here. It really depends on your position. Iba-iba strategy for your positions. If ever pumasok kayo dito and you plan to trade it, dapat negative 3% below support, nag-cut loss na kayo. Right? If ever you're an investor naman, as dito kayo pumasok sa taas and you're an investor, don't do anything. Ipit na kayo. Huwag nyo itatapon pera nyo. This is a good company. You just buy more. Right? Huwag nyo na lang po ibenta yan. So, depende po yan sa position mo, Trisha. Right? Dominic Corpus, PHA near support again because of the late annual report. Yes, kasi natakot ng mga tao kay PHA because of the late annual report. Tapos, pero ang daming bumili. Let's check out the volume. Ganda pa rin ang volume ni PHA yesterday. Kahit na doji siya. Tingnan yung volume. Right, let me remove this. So, yes, this is an opportunity to buy. Just keep buying the dips. PHA is still a very good company. Earnings-wise, negative yung lalabas sa earnings kasi ang laki ng gastos niyan last year. Bumili ng 2 mining companies yan. So, those, daming gastos nun. But we are into PHA not because of the earnings last year, but because of the money that it has right now. Because of the money na binigay ni Qatar sa kanya, laki po nun. Kaya po, PHA is still very cheap considering the money that it has right now. Dominic Corpus, good morning. Bongkoy Mil, Hernan, good morning. Coach Fen, pasukin ba? Mamaya muna si Fen kasi nagpo-pull back pa. Let's just wait for the bounce and then you can test buy if mag-bounce man yan. So for now, wag muna. Masyadong mataas pa yan. Gladys Britannia, super thank you po. You're welcome. Neil, Harold Managa, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng Lotto. Si Lotto nag all-time low. Was that all-time low or 52-week low? Right, so yeah. Napakababa pa po ni Lotto ngayon. So, merong volume on the bounce. That's a very good volume on the bounce for Lotto. So, if you're trading it, if you wanna test trading it, yes, I would say yes. Fundamentally speaking, I don't play with companies that are giving me these numbers. But technicals naman niya, may spike naman sa volume sa support. Yeah, you test out the support. Maybe you are right. Baka umakyat yan. Right, just make sure you cut your losses because this is not for an investing stock. So, pagka mali ka, just cut your losses. Right? Tami, hawak kasi ni Trump ang Thanos ang stones. Kaya nga tama. Mitch Mendoza, good morning sir. Pa-advise naman po kay EW and MPI. Si EW gave us good first quarter earnings. So far, ang ganda ng spike ni EW yesterday. Nagdadalawang isip ako i-recommend si EW kasi bearish ang market but ang ganda ng spikes niya I'd say yes. We have a support here. If you plan to be aggressive in EW, wala akong makita kasi buy signal but there's a spike na hindi ko I cannot what do you call this? I cannot hindi ko pwedeng hindi pansinin. Ayan, tinagalog ko na. Nahirapan ako mag-English. Pero downtrend po but overall EW is still very cheap. I'd say bodega kay EW. It's started the year well, plus the news about the inflation going down. That should help EW. Pwede niyo po ibodega yan si EW. Then MPI, we talked about MPI already. Yan. So, Steve Oyoa, good morning Sir Lloyd. See you sa seminar bukas. Oy, nga pala, yes, the seminar tomorrow. Parang nakalimutan ko di ba? Right, see you tomorrow at Buy Hotel. Sadly, puno na po ang registration. So, thank you so much for those who registered. We want to thank eToro, our sponsor for that event, for making it possible. And especially mangingisda.org. Part sponsor din po yan, mangingisda.org. So, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. It's a passive income conference, Financial Freedom 101. We are gonna teach people how to attain financial freedom. Right? My experiences po ng ibang speakers about it. And also, mastering passive income and mastering your cash flow. That's the key to financial freedom kasi. So, hopefully, magka-seminar din tayo dyan sa Manila. If this is successful, papakita ko sa mga sponsors that it was a successful event so that they will sponsor one all around Philippines. Right? That's my goal really, to give seminars as much as possible libre. So, nagawa po natin sa Cebu. Why not sa Manila? Right? Diba? Kaso nga lang, sa Manila, ang mahal ng mga venues, ang mahal ng mga hotels. Kaya, medyo mahirap. My live post sa seminar, hindi po namin napaghandaan yung live post sa seminar. So, don't worry. Right? At least, you have something to look forward to in the future. Para mag-join naman kayo, if ever, kasi baka sabihin nyo, ay, napanood ko na yan sa live, so hindi na ako mag-join. So, wag na natin muna i-live. Right? Hindi po namin napaghandaan yung live. And we don't want to jeopardize everything because of unpreparedness. So, abang na lang po, right? Don't worry, I'll be having programs here in YouTube about financial literacy then. So, we're transitioning into that naman. Sir, pwede po ba maghabol sa seminar bukas? Alvin Rabanes, meron ka ng eToro account? Hirap Hirap sabihin Anyway, si eToro na magbabayad if you wanna go there. Kaysa naman palabasin pa kayo. Diba? Si eToro nilang pabayaran natin. Yes, you can join. I'd say yes. Hotdog. Hello. Ayan. Steve Oyoa, sir, ask lang po, meron ka bang mentor sa stock market, sir? Sino po mentor mo? Ang mentors ko po is, may mga traders dito sa Cebu na kakilala ko. But basically, ang mentor ko is experience and books, right? Books lang po, nagre-read ako ng books. It's just that, ang mga books na international books noon, meron kasing short selling and everything, which is hindi tayo makarelate. My teacher was experience. I incorporated what I learned. I tested it out. Mahaba-haba pong testing yan. And then, ayun, until I gathered the experience and the knowledge along the way for PSE. Pwede naman kayong matuto on your own, right? You can learn stock market on your own. That's what I did. But ang problema lang dyan is you have to respect the learning curve, the very long learning curve and the very painful learning curve of losing money. Right? I was aggressive before. I practiced with real money. Ngayon, marami pong virtual trading dyan. Even eToro gives you virtual funds for practice trading. Use that. Use them wisely. If I can teach you that. Soon, I'm gonna be making a book. Medyo na busy lang dito. I'm gonna be making a book about trading and i-record ko na lang po yung mga trading seminars ko. At least that way, mas mura po and you can get access to all the learnings you need. Okay? So, that's the plan for this year since I'm gonna be transitioning into business na organizational business na tumutulong po sa mga tao. I'll shift to that and yun po, financial literacy. Ang dami pong Pinoy kailangan po ng tulong na financial literacy, especially sa mga probinsya. Hindi pa po nararating ng mga tulong yan. So, I'm gonna be focusing there, niching there. Unahin natin yung mga kailangan talaga ng tulong. Trabador, good morning Sir Lloyd. Live po ba tayo ngayon or replay? Live tayo ngayon. Replay kasi yung napapanood ko kanina. This is live. Memory Ponso, sir, na short ka ba kay Microsoft? Yes, short sell on Microsoft ka pa rin, sir. Hindi pa na-hit yung cut loss ko eh. So, I still think it is gonna go down. Maybe sa support, ibebenta ko na at least lumiit lang ang loss ko. But if my cut loss is hit, then that's when I'm gonna be selling it. I mean, isasoli ko na. Right? Pag nag-100, same to sa Rikiza, Neil. Not sure what Rikiza is. Pag nag-100, 100 na po ba? X-Wave 1. Mas una po bang mag-start ang project sa wave 2? No, sabay po sabay po magsisimula yung waves na yan. The projected date talaga sa waves for the production to start is 1 month after the launching. So that's June 18. Pero ngayon halos puno na, so maybe we can start it earlier. Pag napuno po yung dalawa, magsa-start po kaagad yan. Right? NRDU 1927, when po ang harvest season? Actually, to be honest with you guys, dalawa pong beses mag-harvest ang bangus. Right? Dalawang beses po mag-harvest ng bangus. It is grown for 5 months and then 1 month preparation. So, basically 6 months po ang kailangan. So, in that 1 year, dalawang beses po tayo mag-harvest. That's why we're giving out 20%. Usually kasi 10% per harvest, diba? So, dalawang harvest kasi yan. So, kaya 20% po ibabalik namin. It's just that for this first batches, we want the money to be stable there muna. So, we're giving it out. Dapat 1 year muna ang commitment natin. After this batch, pwede na po tayong mag half a year lang na commitment. If you want to half a year lang, you can gain already. Or if gusto nyo po 1 year, mas malaki po ang gains pag 1 year. So, that option will be available in the next batches. But for these 2 batches, 1 year lang po ang option muna. Alright, so mukhang maganda yung mangingisda.org, Sir Lloyd. Yes, it is, Francis Fahilan. Sir, magkano ROI dyan sa fish cage investment? 20% po ay i-guarantee namin for the first year. Hi, sir, do I need to wait confirmation from mangingisda.org before I add funds? You can add funds already, right? So, as long as mag-send naman kayo ng confirmation, that will be my work after the daily grind. It's 9:10 time check. Trabador, Sir Lloyd, BPI, BDO, MPI, please. So, BPI. Si BPI, these are the good companies. Kaso nga lang, nagbabagsakan pa. But BPI is nasa support. Inaabangan ko ang bounce nito. Abangan niyo po yung bounce niyan. Now, I will be recommending BPI once it bounces today. So, most probably Monday, kung nag-bounce yan, i-recommend ko. BDO, somehow, support is failing. But maganda naman ang mga news sa mga banks. So, bodega lang kay BDO. This is good for long term. MPI, we talked about MPI already. Ronald, Ray, Tome, sir, good morning. How about PHA? Yes, PHA is at the support. Buy as long as the support holds for PHA. Pablo Cordeta, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Meron po ba security from hackers sa mangingisda.org? Apps, wala pa po tayong application. Yes, meron po itong security, but at the same time, hindi naman po pinoprotect po namin, ang pinaka-security po namin dito is to protect your personal, what you call this, your personal information, 'di ba? Wala naman po ditong credit cards or anything, so we won't be asking for your credit cards. So basically naka-excel po on a different system ang data po ninyo. So ganun po ang ginagawa namin. So if ever i-hack man ito, we always check it out with our main data. So wala pong mangyayari dyan. And walang pera po dyan, hindi po bangko ito. Wala pong pera po dyan. Those are just numbers. Nasa different Excel po ang accounting natin, right? So it's safe that way. Ang pinaka-threat lang dito is your emails, baka makita ng mga tao, but we're protecting that also. Tinatanggal po namin yan sa system as much as possible and put it on a different system. Yung mga kaka-register, yes, malalagay dyan, then we remove it for your safety. Okay? Raging Hothead, hello sir. Advice naman po, negative 10% na ako sa total portfolio for investing. Salamat. If you're investing and it is good company, you just buy more. Coach, pa-check po si X. Salamat po. Si X nag-pullback naman after. Hindi pala pullback. Hindi ka anong umakyat. Right? So, X is still there, but I want X to do a pullback before and bounce before I want to recommend it for trading. But right now, wag po muna. Medyo high risk po. Malayo po tayo sa support dyan. So, I'd stay away from X for now kasi high risk po siya. PHA, pwede pa po ba pasukin yan as long as the support holds? Pwede po pasukin. And RDU 1927, sir, paano po kita makontak and planning to invest at manginginas.org? Once you sign in, manginginas.org, tingnan nyo po ito, contact support. If you click on that, you'll be directed to contact us right away. And even on manginginas.org, the website itself, pwede nyo pong, you can go to contact us. If you click on contact us, nandito, andyan po lahat. Even my phone number is here and our email is here. Yan po. So, excuse me. Hirap magsalita ng ilang oras. Right, so, yan po. That's how you contact us. Asylum Group, hi, question lang po in person from IT. How do you take care of the information of possible investors? Asking lang kasi merong sensitive information at government ID. Ang government ID, hindi naman po. That's the reason why when you join us, ang government ID, pinapaseparate po namin ang pag-email, right? And then once we receive your ID number, tinatanggal po namin sa system and then we put it on a different Excel file na personal lang po sa PC namin. Right? So that's how we protect it. We don't keep it on the system, on the database as much as possible. Okay? So, yun po. Good question, Asylum Group. Right? So, mga Asylum boys. Benwa, good morning, sir. Daily Grinders. Pabati dito sa Taiwan. From Cebu, greetings to my wife, Hannah, and daughters, Lian and Levine. Happy trading to all. Friday ngayon, guys, ha? Konting ingat sa market. Baka magka-take profit sa mga tao. So, yan. Maganda bang pasukin si ABS? Yes, kasi low risk siya ngayon. It's one of my recommendations for today. Morning, sir. Kamusta kaya si GFC? Bumabagsak pa. So, let it drop. And then once it bounces, maybe we can start, maybe we can see a start of momentum. So, dun pa tayo magsimula. Bloom as well, coach. We talked about Bloom already. Review lang natin si Bloom. It's 9:15, time check. Si Bloom, mag-pull back muna. Let's wait for it to pull back and then bounce before we can say na pwede na siyang bilhin and we can test the bottom. Good morning, sir. Any news kay PHA? Wala namang news. Naglabas sila ng kahapon. Naglabas sila. Kasi bumagsak si PHA because of the threat na baka masuspended sila kasi hindi na sila nag-file na, hindi na sila naglabas ng annual earnings nila. Kahapon, naglabas po sila. So, we're safe already. Right, Ryan Concepcion, NRCP po. NRCP, ang ganda ng climb kahapon. And I recommended NRCP last week during the support right here. Took how many days before it really went up. So, congratulations sa mga nagbodega. And ayan po si NRCP. So, it's not any time to buy right now. It's already near resistance. So, antayin lang tayo ng breakout or pullback before we wanna recommend NRCP. Again, VLL, Gray Pagalan, with recommended ko si VLL today, buy as long as the support holds. Annie Lin, DMW. Si DMW, medyo shaky pa eh. Downtrend pa yung pinapakita niya. So, I really can't recommend it yet. So, ingat lang muna. Maganda naman yung first quarter niya. So, anytime soon, pwede yan pasukin. But for now, wag muna. Break the cycle. Boss Lloyd, sana make a video on mangisda.org on what's it all about. Basically, on sincerity and trust project. And also, if it's legit, if you have any license to operate. Yeah, very good. Very good question. You can go to financial freedom. No, not financial freedom page. You can go to our Facebook page. Let me go to our Facebook page. Right here. So, Facebook page, right here. And po, by next week, I'll set your expectation. Promise po ng SEC is next week lalabas po ang papers. Nagka-delay sila ngayon because doon po sa Mindanao, isang office lang po yan ang DOLE, SEC, tan lahat. So, medyo magulo yung office nila, tapos nagka-election, so nagka-delays. We were expecting to have it released last week pa, a week before the launching. So, maglo-launching kami bukas, and then we asked for it this week. They promised us next week. So, for now, reservations po lahat. Right? For your protection, right, I'm betting my name on this. If you plan to withdraw the money, since wala naman pong permits ito, we will return the money. Pangalan ko po nakataya dyan. So, for now, kaibigan lang muna. If napapansin nyo po, hindi ko po ito ina-announce sa Financial Freedom 101 at hindi ko po ito ina-announce sa The Billionaires Club kasi as much as possible, limited lang naman ang kukunin natin kung konti lang naman na investors. 2 waves lang. So, malapit na nga mapuno ngayon. So, by next week, we'll post everything in the website. All the permits that you need. We have a walkthrough video. You can check it out. Asan yung walkthrough video ko? Right, so eto, meron siyang live. This is a walkthrough video, introduction of the business. Please check it out. I'll get the link and post it on the comments. And po, andyan po lahat ng information you need to know about the business, and then also how to navigate the website once you are in. So very good question. Break the cycle. Samantha Morales, IRC sir. Let's check out IRC since we have time. Mustahin natin si IRC. Sila Binay and IRC. Right, so IRC, yun, may nag-bounce na pala si IRC at the support. I'd say yes. Pwede nyo po itong testing ang support ni IRC. Nag-bounce pala ito eh. Right? Tingnan yung ganda ng bounce sa support at 1.62. Yeah, pwede nyo po i-testing yan si IRC. Go for IRC. I'd say yes. Just cut loss if ever mali tayo. But so far, so good. That support has been holding naman. So, yeah, low risk positions. Good find. Good find. Sino ba to? Samantha. Cecil Pange. Morning, Sir Lloyd. DMC. We talked about DMC already. Santiago. Junior. Sarayan. Meron akong eToro account. See you. See you, Santiago. See you bukas. Hotdog. Hi. Karen Ong. Regarding ISM, salamat sa'yo. Nakaka-nervous kasi ang laki ng loss. Nakaraos naman kasi green na now hold pa rin. Right? Congratulations, Karen. Hopefully, nag-average down kayo. Dapat nag-average down kayo. Right, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Sabi ko sa inyo hindi pa babayaan ni Chinatel yan. That was my bias, right? Chinatel is investing so much in it, right? Hindi po nila pababayaan yung third telco project na yan. Kaya, they were willing to risk money there. Evelyn Alforon. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Dubai. Insights for X. Wait for it to do a pullback and get a support before you wanna test it out. Wag yung nasa taas na siya at hahabulin ninyo. Neil John Dan Fediliaga. Good to know, sir, di tulad ng Rikiza na anytime ka pwede makabili ng chick, which is impossible in real life. Per batch naman talaga ang farming. Totoo yan, right? Hindi naman unlimited ang farm eh. A farm has limitations, right? You cannot have a farm na unlimited, right? So, konting ingat po dyan sa mga ganyan. Yun yung kinakagalit ko because there are people who are taking advantage of this industry and nasisira tuloy ang pangalan ng industry. Yung mga legit nahihirapan tuloy dahil sa kinakompetensyaan ng mga scam. Ang mga scam nagpa-promise ng napakalaki 80%, 90% in 3 months. Nahihirapan tuloy mag-compete. Yung mga Pinoy, ang karamihan sa mga Pinoy gusto doon sa mabilisan ng pera. Kaya doon tuloy napupunta. Hindi tuloy nag-i-invest sa mga legitimate. How much minimum investment from Neil? 6,500 lang po. Kaso sana ma-improve quality ng mga isda.org. Di responsive. Hindi pa po siya responsive. Hindi pa po siya pwede sa mobile. Right? We're working on it actually. Right? By tomorrow, most probably on launching date, we're targeting that mag-overtime po yung IT team namin to make it responsive by the time na i-launch namin siya tomorrow. Right? Soft launching pa lang yung nangyayari ngayon. Gilbert Velas, hi sir, ABS and Vita. ABS is in my recommendations for today. It's 9:21. Vita, so far so good pero downtrend pa rin. So I don't really want to recommend Vita yet. Konti ingat lang muna kay Vita. Right? It's a bearish market. So somehow it's giving us good signals naman. Let's see in the future kung mag-stabilize yan. Too volatile for me. Konti ingat lang. Lorraine, sir, pwede na ba mag-add sa C at ISM? Wag muna, wait for it to pull back really and bounce. Sa bounce, dyan po kayo mag-add. Any insights kay GFC? Downtrend? Downtrend lang siya kasi ang market natin is going down. Naglalabasan ng mga investors. Asylum Group, you're welcome. Promoted na po sa group namin yung website nyo. Napag-register na ako and nag-register na rin sila. That's good to know. Thank you so much for the support. Guys, limited lang ito, right? We're just limiting it to 2 batch for now. And then we're gonna be ipaplansya po namin ang lahat-lahat sec and everything kasi for sure paglabas niyan meron pa yung mga problema, resibo, etc. baka mahanapan. So we're gonna be closing it for 2 waves and then 1 year pa naman yung harvest, so we still have room for improvements sa website, permits and everything. Don't worry, trust me, right? Pangalan ko nakasalalay dyan, pangalan ko dinadala ko dyan. Hindi ko hahayaan na masira ang pangalan ko dahil dyan. Abib Shababs, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Alco's din doing well. Alco, let me pull up Alco. Nasa resistance siya, ito yung sinasabi ko, konting ingat pag nasa resistance kasi baka bumagsak. So, as much as possible, get in Alco at the support. So, it's doing pullbacks right now. We're seeing higher highs. Ito pala yung highs niya. So, on the bounce, pag nag-bounce po yan, that will be our entry point for Alco. Yan po. Sir, how much minimum sa mangisda? Already mentioned that. Harris, Sir Villion, meron bang contract sa provided na investors? Yes, meron yung contract, pero ang contract ilalabas namin mamaya na pag andyan na po yung permit. Kasi hindi kami pwede magpalabas ng contract na wala pang permits. That's, But yes, definitely, yes. Meron po. Hotdog, hello. Kanina pa to si Hotdog, hi ng hi. Aida, to good morning, Sir Lloyd. How many slots can we get after first 3 slots initial reservations? As many as you want to, you can do that. Sir, paano mag-join sa Discord group chat? Right, download Discord first. You download Discord first. After downloading Discord, meron po dyan sa video description. Right, video description natin. Meron dyang Discord group nakasulat and link. That's the invitation link. Just click on that and papasok po kayo sa Discord group automatically. This is our Discord group. Ang dami po dito nagtutulungan ng mga traders, especially itong Traders Lounge. Dito po nagsa-standby yung mga day traders. Dito po sila nagkukulitan habang nagte-trade kasi medyo boring pag nakanood lang kayo sa chart lagi. Mas maganda if may ka-chat kayo dito. Dito nagkukulitan ng mga tao. Then we have at main chat room. This is where medyo serious na usapan is andito. Right? Alright, party list muna, Sir Lloyd. Isulong mo magkaroon ng subject, high school or college financial freedom. Totoo yan. Instead na algebra or... Instead na, ano ba yung pang 4th year yung napakahirap na mathematics na hindi naman natin nagagamit? Instead na ganyan, financial literacy ituro natin. Diba? So, very good decision. In the future na yan, hindi ko pa niisip yan. Anyways, we can always help kahit hindi po kahit wala po tayo sa politics, right? You don't have to be a politician para makatulong. Richard New, morning Sir Lloyd. That was the Discord group. So, andyan po again sa video description. Tingnan niyo po ang link dyan sa invitation. Filani Masunda, good morning. Yeah, waiting for that. Bye. Sir, pag nag-invest mangisda.org, pwede ba dumalo doon? Yes, the area is open. Right, let me open the map. I-open ko lang ang map. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Right. This is Biasong Lopesina. It's 9:25. We should have finished already, but anyways, hindi lang naman stock market pinag-uusapan natin. So, these are the fish cages. You can see that. This is the aerial view. If this is updated April 2019. So, makita niyo po dyan, may cages po dyan. Right? These are the operating cages. This is the deep part of the waters. And po, operating po ang cages dyan. Aerial view ito ng Google Maps. Makikita niyo po dyan. Search for Biasong Lopesina. So, this area, pwede ba? Ayan, let me draw. This area right here is the base. Right? Ito yung, dito po nagdadock ang mga bangka papunta sa mga cages. Right? So, if you, hindi po sa magmamayabang po ako, cancel. Let me just undo that. But this piece of land right here, lahat po ng shore makikita niyo dyan. This one right here, even this road. This is my dad's lupa po ng dad ko yan. Right? He donated the land for the fishermen, and these are mangroves. Dinonate po namin yung shoreline for mangroves plantation. And then we have our fish ponds here. Right, those are our fish ponds. Makikita nyo po dyan. Hindi ko ma-undo. How do we erase that? So, I'll erase everything. So, this is our lot. Dinedicate na po yan, yung lupa na yan for fishermen there. So, we are, this is the community there, and then we are basically helping the community there. Pwede po kayong dumalaw. Everyone is welcome. This is open. Yan, in-open po namin yan to the public and even the community there. Andyan po ang bahay namin. Pakita nyo po, napaka-open po ng bahay namin. Nadadaanan lang ng mga tao lagi when they want to go to the fish cages or fish right here. Dito po nila, sa ilalim po ng mga mangroves dyan po nakapark yung mga bangka nila. Right, so that's it. So, may webinar kayo. So far, wala pa ako schedule ng webinar. I'll be uploading one soon. Right? So, I'll let you know. Pasilip naman sa DMC and X. DMC and X still downtrend. Si X, antayin nyo po muna mag-pull back DMC. Downtrend pa. VLL is in my recommendations for today. Right? So, that's it for today. I'll see you again next week. Right? This weekend is gonna be a very busy weekend for me because of the seminars. So, most probably wala akong video ma-upload for the weekend. Plano ko kasi maggawa ng video about this over the weekend, but most probably next week na lang. It's gonna be a very busy weekend for me. It's a Friday. Konting ingat sa mga stocks, especially yung sa mga nasa taas. If you see weakness, please sell half already kasi it's a bearish market. Baka magkabentahan at biglang bumagsak yung stocks niyo. Right? Konting ingat. Play with stocks na nasa baba lang if you want plan to trade. Mitch Mendoza, just send me a message, please, so I can give you the details. That's it for today. Enjoy your weekend po. Happy weekend. And as always, let's get rich together. Have a great day. Bye-bye.